Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OPTI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Done this analysis several times before, but want to get things updated after today, as once again the price came to life and then the volume was again very respectable. So a lot of eyeballs going to be watching this one headed into Thursday. And from the technical point of view, it's a pretty simplistic, it's a pretty straightforward approach at this point, because really you just have an overarching pattern here, which in the world of technical analysis would be known as a symmetrical triangle. So the first part of this pattern is just the downtrending trend line here, which would represent resistance. And then the other part of the pattern is just representing the bulls, and that would be down here. Actually, let me change this to green to represent the support level. But that's essentially what's going on here. You have the big old, now some people could say, well, no, Clay, that's a bull pennant. If you draw the pull portion right there, then yeah. And for you golfers out there, if you want to envision it, you put the golf hole down there. So it could be a bull pennant too, symmetrical triangle, wedge. The core point here, the general idea that I'm trying to get across is over time, the bulls are making progress. The price is pushing itself higher and higher. However, at the exact same time, the bears are also making progress because they're actually pushing the price lower and lower down. So all this leads to the question, well, who's ultimately going to win out? And now this is a bullish pattern because this is all occurring in an overall uptrend. However, that does not mean that for sure guaranteed, if only trading were that easy, that, okay, well, a pattern's occurring in an uptrend. Therefore, it's guaranteed to break to the upside. No such thing as a guarantee. Now, what is more likely to happen is, yeah, a breakout to the upside. But just because something is likely to happen doesn't mean that it will for sure happen. There's a big difference between each of those. So I'm not saying that's what's going to play out. But that is the current status of the chart. Is you have this symmetrical triangle playing out. It's playing out within an overall uptrend. So if you're forced to pick a side, I mean, if you want to trade with the trend, right? The trend is your friend. Then you would want to think that a potential a breakout is coming. So we'll see how this one plays out the next couple of days. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.